How to start a car. When the starter is bad, your car won't start, you turn the key and instead of the engine cranking, you hear a click, or nothing at all. Great. The starter decided to take a coffee break. A bad starter means the engine is not being turned over properly. But before you blame the starter, check the simple stuff first. First, look at the battery. If the lights are weak, the dashboard is dim, or the car makes rapid clicking noises, the battery may be the real problem. Try a jump start. If the engine cranks normally with a jump, your starter may be fine. If the battery is good and you hear one solid click, the starter solenoid or starter motor may be failing. Sometimes lightly tapping the starter with a wrench or small hammer can help it work one last time. Don't beat it like it owes you money, just a few light taps. If the car starts after tapping, that starter is living on borrowed time. If your car has a manual transmission, you may be able to push start it. Turn the key on, press the clutch, put the car in second gear, get it rolling, then release the clutch smoothly. If everything else is working, the engine may start. This will not work on most automatic cars. Also check the battery terminals, ground cable, starter relay, and starter fuse. A loose or corroded connection can act exactly like a bad starter. So the quick answer is, try a jump start, check the connections, tap the starter lightly and push start only if it's a manual. But if the starter is truly bad, these are temporary tricks, not real repairs. The real fix is to test power at the starter and replace the starter if it has power and ground but still won't crank, because eventually the tap it and pray method stops working, usually at the worst possible time.